I made this tutorial about, I think 6 times because I could not get my OBS to work right, but I have done it now, so you're welcome. So I'm just going to show you how to make a badge icon uh, for your shop for IMVU, or as Shai says, IMVU. Okay, so if you want it to look like this, or maybe even animate it, uh, keep watching. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this, delete, and delete, so that I can get my images and we can start from scratch. File open. I have a ton of badges and random shit in here that I need to organize, but nobody cares right now. Whoops. I'm just going to do this for my Love Sucks and Not You Valentine's Day badges. These are a bundle, so I'm going to do them together on the same icon. So I'm going to click and drag both of these so that they create a little window. So now I've got my Love Sucks, I've got my Not You, and they're over my icon document. Whenever you have a pixel image that you're going to use for badging on IMVU, you'll see that there is index. And when it's in index mode, you can't do anything with it. So click drag. Nope, can't. So how do we fix that? Well, we have to click on image, mode, RGB color. Ta-da, now it's a layer and I can move it. So I'm going to do the same thing with Not You real quick. Ta-da! Now they're done. So now all I have to do is click and drag these little babies into my icon document. Okay, so I've got them there. Yay! Now, if you want to just leave this as it is, then you're done. If you want to be a little bit extra like me, then please continue watching me be extra. I like to add a little soft glow around my badge images. That way you can differentiate like what's the badge and what's the background of the icon. It's not super necessary with this particular set of badges because they have white outlines, but I'm going to do it anyway just because I'm fucking extra. So I'm going to click outer glow. And you can do this to your liking. I like to make it real soft, just faint there. I don't want it to be too much, otherwise people might think that that's the badge, part of the badge. Okay. So now I'm done. I mean, if I want it to just be a static image, which honestly in this case I do, I'm gonna leave it like that. I'm just gonna save it real quick. So when it's static, you can just export and export as PNG or JPEG, whatever you prefer. I usually just do it as a PNG. So I'm gonna just change it to what I'm going to be calling it, which is the Love Bites static. Now, if I want to animate it, it's real simple. So down here I have on my timeline the first frame. If you click down here where there's a little like page turning, it kind of looks like, it duplicates your frame. So for this duplicate of your frame, you want to make a little difference so that it will animate. So what I'm going to do is just click on my Love Sucks layer, which is layer 2. I'm going to hold shift on my keyboard and just drag it up a little bit. I'm going to do the same thing with Not You. And now they're up there. So if I want the badges just to kind of bounce in the icon, I've done that. So if I just click play here, you can see. I usually prefer to stick to animations for larger products, larger badges, things like that. But it's all personal preference. So this I usually have set to 0.3 seconds for the duration. I feel like that's a pretty good amount of time. If you have it on 0.1, it's like on crack. Yeah, too much. Oh wait, no, that's 0.3. Look, it's kind of ridiculous. Why did I do that? Oh my god. Okay. Bum, 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 bum. It's on crack. So that's just a bit too fast for my liking. If you have it set to like 0.5, it's too slow. boom, 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 boom. I don't know. That's just my preference. So you can change that as you please. But now it's done. Anytime you have a GIF on your icon, or if you're doing DPs or anything, you have to File, Export, Save for Web. You should be able to preview it here, but my Photoshop hates me, so it doesn't really preview anything. So I just have to trust myself. So I'm going to click Save. Notice that I name all of my icons after the product. That's just something I do to easily find them when I'm uploading them. And this is Love Bites Animated. Yeah, I'm going to replace that. Like I said, I already did this like several times. So now you're done. If this was helpful, let me know. Also, let me know if there are any other tutorials that you are wanting to see, because I would be more than happy to do them for you as long as it's something I know how to do. I will be making a tutorial on how to animate maybe more complex badges or complex badge icons. And IMVU products as well, not just badges. So, hope this was helpful. If it was, let me know. See you next time.